So let's take a look at how to make use of components in your React project. So here you have RealKit components. So basically these are the custom components like you have with Bootstrap, or let's say any other CSS component that you get. Here you basically just add RealKit to your React project, and then you can individually call for such components as required. So if we check some of the components on official RealKit website, you will find that you have things like button, card, then grid, then let's say heading, list, okay, so table, and so on. Okay, so basically when you're making use of custom components or UI kit, then you are making use of their own CSS and their own standards through which they place the components on the project. Okay, so this is good for those projects which don't want to make use of Bootstrap, yet they want to have interactive components that are already made for you and you don't have to manually recreate all of them in CSS. Okay, so here is one such project named RealKit. Okay, so realkit.io is a website where you can check it out. Okay, so if you want to install that in your React project, simply open your command prompt, and here you have to type in npm install --save. Make sure you have React and react-tom installed. Okay, once you have these two things installed, you can go ahead and then install RealKit. So in case of RealKit, simply you have to type in npm install --save and then RealKit. Okay, so these three things you should be doing. Okay, so after that, once you do that, you can check out your package.json in your text editor and verify that you have RealKit installed. Okay, so I have RealKit, React-DOM, React, Material UI, and few other dependencies. Okay, also in your project, go to source, and here you have to open app.js. Okay, and open it in your text editor such as Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text or any other. Okay, now here in the next line to import app CSS, simply type in import, then curly bracket, then button. Okay, and here you have to simply point to from where. So RealKit is where you are going to call for it. Then you have to check for render method, inside which you will find CSS for your default project. Now here you have to type your button component. Okay, notice that it is not sending me autocorrect. The reason being I have yet to install the custom IntelliSense for React for this Visual Studio Code. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to put message in button as click for Devnami YouTube tutorials. Okay, so it's a big button with this message, and to check that on browser, what I have to do is open command prompt, and here I have to type in npm start, and it should start React scripts, and it will open server as well. Then you will find your window tab automatically opening to localhost 3000. Okay, and here you see a button in the middle of the page named click for Devnami YouTube tutorials. Okay, so if you can see these, okay, so basically you have your RealKit component properly installed, and you can use these components all over the page and make your own project. So this was a small demo on how to make use of RealKit components in your React project.